So, what's up, y'all? I know it's been a little while, you know what I'm saying? I know it's been a little while. Been going through a lot. But you know, making a video today to show y'all my progression. Today I took my PICC line out my arm. I think I brought it up in the last video, but you know, it's healing. Just took it out today, you know what I'm saying? So now I can move how I really want a little bit. So I mean, everything been alright. I mean, everything's, you know, I've been home safe, chilling. But you feel what I'm saying? So I'm blessed to still be here, you know what I mean? So, but I'm sorry that I have not been posting videos and stuff. The pills I've been taking, the medicine, make me really exhausted. So, you know, it's kind of hard for me. So I really appreciate all y'all support and stuff like that. I just need y'all to bear with me because it's really hard, you know what I'm saying? It's really hard and stuff like that. So, but yeah, so, you know what I mean? I'm going to post more videos, you know what I'm saying? Today I'm just posting a little vlog, you know what I'm saying? Just show y'all that I'm doing good. You know what I mean? If y'all got any ideas, videos y'all want me to do, comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Just comment down below. Cause I'm trying to get back in my groove, for real. So, you know, I want to make content for y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I want to make content for y'all, man. So, you know, this is for y'all, and I mean, I love making people laugh and stuff like that. So, anything y'all want me to do, comment below. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know something. I ain't never been here before. About to be a setup. Super rap food. How you doing? Yes, sir. Oh yeah, we early. Hey, yo. Thank you.
Is he gonna grow a chicken in his hat? What do you think? Is he gonna grow the chicken in his hat? What do you think? Yes, no, maybe so? Yeah.
Oh, that was different.
You finna make this thing. This thing blow up. Gotta wash my hair.
Don't be rude. Here goes.
Scared.
Oh yeah. Eggs. Watch it. Don't be rude. Open the heart. Oh, my noodle.
Oh, he missed it.
All right,
Working your three-pointer, man.
yeah.
She ready. That's crazy. That ain't hard to do.
Yeah.
As a grown man, I ain't doing this.
What do you mean by that?
I'm a grown ass man.
You're gonna pee on this. You're gonna pee on this. Yeah, you know. Choo-choo.
That's right there.
You want to start out for yourself, okay?
Oh my God! Wow!
I need my chicken and shrimp now, man.
Oh my God!
No cap. Yo. God bless. Humble class.
Oh wait, you hear that?
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
Bro,
I don't rap, by the way, so you
you producer,
can't take that out, bitch.
Bro, you a producer.
I don't rap.
I'm gonna edit it, bro. You good, bro.
Hold on, wait, you hear that?
In the studio, man.
That shit.
Made a song with my brother, man.
Yeah, fuck that bitch.
I gotta cut that part out.
Yo, you don't lie, bro. Take this shit out.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna got on YouTube, bro. What you mean?
Yeah, hold on, wait, you hear that? Hey. Hey.
She's sick of bitch. I'm getting the dick. On my ass, no. I'm rapping New York. Your bitch is a slut. Your bitch is a whore. You think I'm gonna shoot? Some shit is cool. Respectful killers. Yeah, my niggas don't play.
Don't play.
They got to repeat. Don't give a fuck what you say. Gotta reach for my other Glock, nigga. Cause I run out of ammo. Put a bullet in my last. Put her ass on the street. She said she got a man.